Are you looking for a residential house but cannot manage one due to the high expense? Don't worry, tech mogul Elon Musk is here as your savior. He has brought you a new Tesla electric caravan for sustainable living. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll see everything you need to know about Tesla's new electric caravan. Firstly, it's futuristic and cool. Secondly, you won't believe it. It comes in just $10,000. Sounds like a jackpot, right? But what do you get in this cheapest home? How is it? Tech genius Elon Musk's touch is a blessing for anything. Everything he touches either turns into gold or something mind-blowing. Feasible both for mass and class. Yes, it's incredible to see how beautifully he maintains a balance between the mass and class. It's not everyone's cup of tea. Tesla's new outrageous 10,000 house for inexpensive caravan come home is reshaping the housing industry in unprecedented ways. Tesla Home or Caravan, like all other Tesla products, is of excellent quality and meets the demands of users. As previously said, Tesla's new caravan house is incredibly inexpensive. It is only available for $10,000. The majority of Americans do not own a home because it is prohibitively costly to build one. In truth, the globe suffers from a housing shortage, but Tesla is working to alleviate the situation with their wacky new house. The house cum caravan is significantly less expensive than other Tesla goods. When compared to similar items on the market, Tesla products are always distinctive. They are just noticeable. That is true. The Tesla house is unlike any other house since it has amazing characteristics that set it apart. It features a living room, bathroom, bed, and kitchen despite being prefabricated. The home is designed to accommodate two people. The Tesla CEO was residing in the mansion with his wife and son, X, as of May 2021. It features solar panels on its roof that helps it harness the sun's energy. The energy is then transported to the power walls, which are utilized to store it. The stored energy is sufficient to meet the entire household's electrical requirements. So, in a Tesla home, you may cook with an electric oven, iron clothing, charge electronic devices, and even heat the house during the winter. The Tesla house or caravan is equally basic, with only the necessities. It is not only cost-effective, but also an efficient use of resources. When you just have a family of 4, owning a mansion with 15 rooms is unnecessary. Tesla houses are constructed in factories and folded before being distributed. So it's very simple to figure out what's inside the mystery house, which is made mostly of steel, concrete, and EPS foam. The caravan home's exterior is constructed of hardwood. It took years of testing to figure out which materials would not deteriorate walls. The flooring and roofs are all made of laminated panels, making them highway legal. Elon Musk, unlike other billionaires, lives in a modest Tesla house that is incredibly affordable. After selling his 6 houses, Tesla CEO Elon Musk moved into the house. The little residence is in Boca Chica, very adjacent to Elon Musk's SpaceX. When his 5 teenagers from his first marriage visit him, though, it's tough to see Musk surviving in this little abode. His 18-year-old twins and 16-year-old triplets are his children. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. When Boxable announced in November 2020 that they are erecting a prefabricated house for one of their high-profile and confidential customers in Boca Chica, it was verified that Yuan lives in a Tesla home. Musk has a connection to prefabricated houses because he resides in the Boca Chica neighborhood. My primary home is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, Elon wrote in a tweet, putting the rumors to rest. I rented a Starbase from SpaceX. However, it's very cool. As the event house in the Bay Area, this is the only residence I own. If I sold it, it would be less used until it was purchased by a large family, which may happen sometime. The Tesla new caravan house, like all Tesla goods, is built with sustainability in mind. Elon is committed to decreasing his global carbon impact. The house is small and will run entirely on solar power. Musk has stopped buying Tesla items using Bitcoin to encourage sustainability. This is because many of the computers used to mine cryptocurrencies are fueled by very unsustainable fossil fuels. The Tesla house has the advantage of being movable. The mansion can be towed with a Tesla Model X, according to the tech entrepreneur. We can haul this home around with a Model X, says Tesla Powerwall. I'm sure pulling the house with a Tesla Cybertruck would be more efficient because of its larger towing capability. To be specific, the tri-motor Cybertruck can pull 7 tons, which is far more than the Tesla Home's 2 tons. Because of its portability, a Tesla home is an excellent choice for camping in the countryside. When you're thousands of miles away from home, it provides you with a perfect home experience. That Tesla Caravan cum house mixes in wonderfully with other Tesla items. It can, for example, be used to charge Tesla vehicles. As a result, you won't have to worry about finding a Tesla supercharging station. The Tesla smartphone, which is yet to be released, will be able to manage some of the Tesla equipment in the tiny house. It would be a thrilling experience to see the Tesla goods dependency. The Tesla tiny house has a design lab on the interior that allows guests to create their solar power system for their home on a screen. The sun powers all of the lights and electronics, which can be controlled and monitored via a Tesla app. The inside is sparse, and it serves more as a display for Tesla products than a fully furnished house. The Tesla house concept has arrived at the ideal moment. It comes at a time when most individuals are unable to purchase homes owing to the high cost of building and mortgage financing. Furthermore, the real estate sector's slow development is not keeping pace with the rising housing demand, further complicating the situation. But thanks to Elon, who is making it easier with the insanely inexpensive Tesla house. In America, low-income families who are disproportionately made up of people of color cannot afford good housing. Yet they can now easily get a Tesla home. After successfully entering the American market, in Australia, the Tesla house is currently being pushed. In Australia's biggest cities, including Sydney, Melbourne, and New South Wales, the Tesla marketing team is towing the car. Residents in the cities visited by the Tesla team are enthralled by the unusual residence that is entirely powered by renewable energy. The tours aim to deliver a one-on-one instructional experience on how to connect Powerwall with solar to seamlessly power a whole house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing Australian consumers to acquire control and awareness of their power consumption, according to Tesla. One of Tesla's latest ventures in Australia is the Small House Tour. In South Australia, the business will construct the world's largest battery system, but it has yet to provide solar panels in the nation. But that is set to change shortly. But there's a chance that the outrageous new Tesla house may rescue the world. This is mostly because it is environmentally friendly and sustainable. Climate change and global warming pose a serious threat to human life on the planet. When global warming reaches its apex, temperatures on the planet will rise dramatically as water on the planet evaporates, resulting in water and food scarcity. Global warming also depletes the ozone layer, which protects the Earth from the sun's damaging UV radiation. Life on Earth would be extremely difficult without the ozone layer in the atmosphere. UV radiation makes it impossible for plants to live and thrive. Neither can the plankton that feeds the majority of marine life. As a result, any strategy that encourages the usage of green and clean energy should be supported, and the Tesla house does just that. The new Tesla Caravan house is both economical and stylish. It is a simple and practical solution to the housing issue. When the option of purchasing a Tesla home is available, no one will have an excuse for not owning a home. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Would you live in an electric caravan or prefer a home? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you